Welcome to the Bourns AMM20B Multiturn Magnetic Position Sensor Training Module. The objective of this training module is to familiarize you with the product and provide detail on some of the innovative features that make this product well suited for your application. We will review construction and assembly, followed by a brief overview of the specifications. We will then highlight some of the benefits and features of the Model AMM20B and will cover typical application examples. This module will conclude with reference materials and a final overview of the product. The Bourns Model AMM20B Multiturn Position Sensor is the first product in a line of Bourns electromechanical sensing products based on non-contacting magnetic sensor technology. The core of this rotary position sensor is a programmable quad Hall effect integrated circuit that provides a signal which is converted into a voltage output. It's especially well suited for certain harsh environments and long life applications within rated limits. Discovered by Edwin Hall in 1879, Hall effect refers to the potential difference on opposite sides of a bar-shaped conducting or semiconducting material, or Hall element. This potential difference, voltage, is produced by a magnetic field applied perpendicular to the Hall element through which an electric current flows. Rotation of the magnet in close proximity to the application-specific standard product, or ASSP, produces the desired output signal that is pre-programmed into the ASSP. The construction of the Model AMM20B position sensor is shown in this exploded view. A couple of areas to highlight are the sintered bronze bushing, the stainless steel shaft design, and the conformal-coated sensor PCB assembly. Our rotational cycle testing has shown that the materials selected for the bushing shaft design perform extremely well under side load. In addition, the sensor PCB assembly is conformal-coated for optimal performance under exposure to harsh environments within rated limits. The Model AMM20B is equipped with 3 PCB terminals that accept standard female quick disconnect connectors. This cutaway view shows the individual piece parts in the actual assembly. The Model AMM20B is manufactured in an ISO-certified production plant, utilizing mechanized equipment and lean manufacturing principles, along with computer-automated production testers. This compact and versatile design is well suited for applications with space constraints. There are a few important specifications to highlight. The output signal is analog and is ratiometric to the angular position of the shaft based on a 5-volt DC input. Please note that the voltage output of the Model AMM20B is programmable. For applications requiring a smaller angle of travel, the output can be appropriately programmed at the factory. The operating temperature for this device is -40 degrees Celsius to +125 degrees Celsius. Independent linearity of plus or minus 0.5% is standard, with plus or minus 0.3% available on request. Finally, rotational life is rated at 50 million shaft revolutions. Bourns Model AMM20B features non-contacting magnetic technology, utilizing a moving magnet and a programmable quad Hall effect IC. Because it is non-contacting, it is highly compatible with applications in harsh environments, typically encountered in industrial applications, such as vibration, shock, and fluid and/or dust ingress. The position sensor is programmable for various angles of rotation with highly repeatable performance. This product is also RoHS compliant. Some of the benefits of the Model AMM20B sensor are listed here. Due to the form factor and voltage output, this unit can be used as a direct replacement for older contacting technologies. As previously mentioned, this position sensor has a very stable performance over an extended rotational life. It also has minimal sensitivity to harsh environments within rated limits and performs well even with side load condition. This graph illustrates a comparison of Bourns Model AMM20B to contacting technologies. The Model AMM20B position sensor with sintered bronze bushing provides an extremely long life over traditional contacting multi-turn potentiometers. This is very important in applications where the cost of replacing the sensor is high, as well as applications where the sensor is in a remote location with limited access for repair or replacement. This non-contacting device provides a long life and reliable solution, reducing the cost of repair and maintenance. Due to the nature of the core non-contacting technology, linearity remains consistent over the life of the product, outperforming contacting technologies as illustrated in this chart. The stability of the Model AMM20B sensor over its life reduces the need to recalibrate the system, as with contacting position sensors that experience output drift over time. This results in lower system maintenance cost. Rotational life testing was conducted with a side load applied perpendicular to the shaft axis. The Model AMM20B sensor performed exceptionally well with 250 grams of side load, achieving 50 million shaft revolutions with little or no degradation in output performance. The derating curve shown in this graph was established to account for system tolerances where the radial play of the system may affect mechanical backlash or gear meshing. The ability to withstand side load allows for minor misalignment of mechanical interfaces to the shaft, or utilization of rack and pinion designs where a minor side load is induced on the shaft. Bourns Model AMM20B sensor is highly versatile and can be used in a multitude of applications. The applications include industrial, aerospace, defense, consumer, and telecommunications markets. Anywhere that there is a need to monitor the position of a system and a need for long life, high repeatability in certain harsh environments within rated limits, the Bourns Model AMM20B is the optimum solution for position sensing needs. We've provided links to resource material located on the Bourns website. If you have any questions regarding this product and you are unable to find the answer, please contact your local field application engineer or sales representative.